There's a mama duck with her ducklings on our dock. You can see all the little ducklings. I've never seen them up here before, but it's kind of hard for them to get up normally. Now they can just swim right up to our dock because we had lots and lots of rain. I'm not going to go too close because I don't want to scare her off.